It's Monday, May 8th. I think that's right. Sorry I wasn't here on Saturday. I had the seventh year birthday party in Charlotte. Basically, the adults stood around underneath the covered, playground thing, and the kids ran around for 2 hours. That was pretty much what it was. I was like, what happened to pin the tail on the donkey and all those things? And they were like, nope, can't make any plans. The kids just want to run around. I'm like, all right, there you go. What do I know? It's a lot easier, that's for sure. I got a lot of knitting done. I knit for 2 hours. It was awesome. All right. Joji Locatelli has put out a brand new pattern of a shawl. It's called A Place of Peace. And it is an interesting construction and a finished product. I have a bigger picture to show you, but this is it, Joji Locatelli. And this is the full picture of it. So you have two fingering weights to make the striped areas. And then these triangles are a mohair that is a complement of one of these stripes. And then you come in at the last, I think, and tag on all of these little tassels. It's very cool construction. I love it. So Brooke was excited about it on Saturday, and she hustled up and put together a ton of color combinations. So she posted them on Facebook, but we've sold some, but I thought I would give you a highlight right now. So it takes two fingerings, two complementary fingerings, and two mohairs. So let me just start. Chrissy said she loved this one. This is La Jolla by Ba, and it's in the dark, very fall looking colors, put together with a skinny yana, which is pretty gorgeous. And then two of the Uma, which this is baby alpaca and silk and mohair, and these are dyed to go with this. So that is quite beautiful. Let me put it together like this. I mean, look, that's really nice. So that is the first one. This is number 2. So this is Machida. I should tell you the prices of these, I'm sorry. The La Jolla is $36. The Uma is $14. And the Uma, the mohair is $14, and so is the skinny yana. So, all right. So this is my color combo. This is Machida, which is $24. This is Knitted Wit with some sparkle, which is $38. And this is Knitted Wit hand-dyed mohair. One skein has 459 yards, and this is $42. So I think that's pretty yummy as well. Then this one, I think this one was Brooke's favorite. So this is Heritage, 13 with this peach. This again is La Jolla, which is 36. And then the Rowan Kid Silk Haze, which is 19 a piece. Like it, it's really beautiful. All right, back here is Knitted Wit, the sparkle for 38, La Jolla for 35. You'd think I'd remember that. I really love that. And then this is the Uma for 14 a piece. That is lovely, right? And then two more. This would be my choice. This is Knitted Wit for 34, the multi. This is Heritage, and this is Ariel Gold for $17.50. The Heritage is $13. I really love that one. Am I going to make it? Probably not, but I would love to. But who's got time, right? And last but not least, this will be Ray's favorite, pink, pale pink. This is 13 on the Heritage, 36 on the La Jolla, and then this beautiful $19 Kid Silk Haze in the rose. Got it. I'm holding it not the attractive way. There you go. So that too is beautiful. So those are Brooke's suggestions from the weekend. If you feel so inclined to make this beautiful shawl, give us a call. We got it for you. We got it all set up. All right, I think that's it for today. Actually, it was quite a beautiful day, and it's warming up. It's supposed to be in the 80s week, so who knows. All right, I will see you tomorrow. I think that's all I've got.